Brother DTG. It's a company aligned with the category. And for more than 15 years, it's been our mission to make print shops and fashion brands all around the world more competitive in their industries. Now, with our most recent development, we're taking the next step in our evolution by releasing a solution specifically for one of the fastest growing segments of the market, high volume print shops. But how did we get here? Basically, by listening to you. Your needs drive our development. And what we heard you say is that as your business grows, your needs change. You need us to adapt our technology to help you reach your next level goals. With our latest generation of DTG printers, the GTX, we raise the bar in terms of speed, print quality, and ease of use. But you wanted more. You need even faster print speed, lower running cost, and an ability to handle the unique demands of printing high volume through multiple shifts. So we took your needs and used them as a blueprint for our next generation of printers. We're proud to introduce to you the GTXpro B. This next level of direct-to-garment printers has new features developed for high-volume print shops. Our engineers integrated an advanced ink system that agitates, circulates, filters, and degasses the ink before sending it to the printer. This is what makes using the bulk ink containers possible, as it keeps the ink in its optimal state, allowing the GTXpro B to run longer between ink refills. We developed a new white ink printhead that actually circulates the ink inside the printhead, resulting in less wasted ink. We added an upgraded maintenance station and redesigned wet caps to create a platform built to handle the rigors of operating beyond the normal business hours of 9 to 5. Plus, we incorporated additional operator enhancements to help you increase your overall production output. It's everything you love about the GTX, now optimized to be even more efficient. And now Rosalind here is going to give you a few more details about how all these recent advancements can benefit high-volume printers.
Thanks, Kelly. First, let's talk about the advanced ink system. It's smartly designed to allow you to easily access and refill the large print tanks from the bulk ink containers, ink that's offered at a low price per a millimeter or cc. The special white ink tank has both an internal agitation device and a circulation system that keeps the white ink in suspension so it's always ready to go. All inks are processed through the filtration and degassing system to remove air and larger particles, ensuring that when the ink is used, it's in an ideal state for printing. These larger subtanks were added to make sure the printheads have on-demand access to the ink, which minimizes production delays. The second upgrade to the GTXpro B that we'd like to explore is the newly engineered white ink printhead. Expanding on the ink circulating system in the print lines of the original GTX, the white ink printhead in the GTXpro B allows for ink to circulate between ink channels. This means the GTXpro B circulates the white ink in 4 key areas: the ink tank, the sub-tank, the ink lines, and the channels inside the printhead. This significantly reduces your running costs. The next exciting feature is the updated maintenance station. These redesigned caps allow us to reduce the time required for automatic cleanings, while the improved drainage system is designed for longer periods of operation across multiple shifts. We also made serious advancements in the usability for the GTXpro B, like the updated low platen sensor that ensures the platen height is set at the optimal level for any particular substrate, and the print reservation feature, which allows for new print files to fully download while the current job is printing. Plus, now operators can press the print button even during a cleaning process. The GTXpro B is also faster. Updates to the firmware and print driver achieve a print speed that is up to 20% faster than the already rapid print speed of the first generation GTX printer. Create even greater efficiencies with the web-to-print automation tools from one of our preferred industry partners, requiring only minimal labor to operate, or build your own software with the SDK. Speaking of efficiency, you can maximize the efficiency of your equipment and your labor by combining multiple GTXpro B printers to create a single high-volume pod. This pod setup makes it possible for you to only invest in the equipment that makes sense for your business today, but it allows you to easily expand whenever your sales volume dictates it, without reorganizing your shop floor or adding significant new labor costs. This multi-printer pod setup also keeps production rolling whenever a printer is due for its preventative maintenance. We know that's a lot to take in, so you'll be able to print brochures and feature-specific sales sheets in the Document tab to the left of the screen.
But we're not done yet. You should also know that the GTXpro B continues Brother's well-earned reputation for print quality and versatility. Our latest model utilizes our specially designed Inabella textile ink to produce bright colors, strong washability, and reassuring confidence, knowing they are certified with Eco Passport by Okiotex. And as you've come to expect, the interchangeable platens give you an ability to print on an amazingly wide variety of substrates, with a maximum print size of 16 inches by 21 inches. Tees and hoodies, caps, bags and shoes, adult and youth, Brother offers a custom platen for just about anything. You can depend on Brother to be there with you, as proven by our at-your-side warranty for the GTXpro B, which provides a standard 2-year limited and 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, plus our global support network of trained authorized dealers. So there you have it. That's the rundown of Brother's new GTXpro B, the next generation of DTG printers conceived and engineered based on what you want and need to grow your business properly.
For more information,